Alright, we're going to show how to do the combination of Deashi Harai with the single leg takedown. And we are going to break down step by step how Jack and Tabor are training this combination. The first element is a very important one, which is to make sure you're not being taken down by the opponent. So note that Jack allows the opponent, Tabor in this case, to grab the collar, which he's showing which is the dominant hand. So Jack is allowing that so he can read his opponent, and now he knows that he has to break the grip to not let him fight with his dominant hand. In this frame, you can see Jack using both hands to break the grip on the collar. Part of the psychological warfare here in this case is to build frustration on the opponent's mind by not allowing the opponent to grab the collar again or any part of the body, especially the legs. So this is an element to build frustration to allow you to initiate your attack safely. So for this drill, Jack is controlling the hand for 5 seconds before he can initiate his takedown.
4, 5, freeze.
For the takedown to be effective, Jack needs Tabor to have the foot of his choice to be forward. So he uses his hand on the sleeve and the other hand, which is hidden from the picture, the right hand is on the collar, to destabilize Tabor's balance.
Yep. Make a step where you want.
After the 5 seconds to build frustration, Jack was also reading by pushing and pulling Tabor until he got Tabor in the ideal stance. In this case, he wanted Tabor to have the right foot forward and the left foot backward. So he's in the ideal position to initiate the takedown right now. However, right before Jack initiated the takedown, you can see Tabor stepping forward again with his left leg. Going back to a square position, which is not the ideal stance that Jacks need. So Jack will have to push or pull Tabor one more time to prepare Tabor to be in the right stance for the takedown. So here on the second attempt, now Tabor stepped forward one more time, and Jack is now ready to initiate the attack. So in this frame, you can see Jack doing the Deashi Harai with his left foot hitting Tabor's right foot. You cannot see well on this frame, but don't worry, we have other footage later on, right after this lesson, so you can see. So the idea here is to not actually go through the Deashi Harai, it's just to distract the opponent. You can see Jack initiating his head low, so that he's ready to commit for the takedown. The Deashi Harai was used to distract the opponent in the sense that he will not have reaction time. Because note that Tabor, as soon as he was attacked by the Deashi Harai, he moved backwards to defend from the Deashi Harai. However, Jack anticipated the move, so Jack is already completely low, already hooking one leg with his left arm, and his head is already too low for Tabor to react. Let's rewind the tape so you can watch the complete technique one more time.
3, 4, 5, freeze. Yep. Make a step where you want. Okay. Tap the foot. Keep the correct weight on it. Tap it. Bring your foot back in. Move, shoot, shoot.
Here we have a longer footage of both of them training back and forth this combination. And you can see the complete body now of both of them and more details as you observe. And also towards the end of the video, I'm going to emphasize the importance of the timing and the speed of the execution of the technique. Enjoy! I want everybody to take a break and watch Tabor and Jack doing for a second. I want you to see the timing of their fake Deashi Harai to the single double. Observe. Watch how quick this guy is.